So I was very kindly sent some lipsticks by Benecos and I thought I'd share them with you today. So I had a quick sneak peek inside just to look at the labels to see what colours are in here, but I haven't actually opened them up and looked at them properly. A nice little selection of their lipsticks. So starting with the shade Catwalk. Now I'm not actually going to open this new one up because I do actually have Catwalk already, which I do love. It's a really nice kind of deep ruby red. Yeah, nice and rich, nice and deep, kind of perfect for winter time. That one is called Marry Me. Ooh, again, it's kind of another red shade, but a slightly lighter red shade. So yeah, definitely a bit more of a pink toned red. Much softer than Catwalk, but still really pretty. Hot pink, which heading into summer and spring, I think it's gonna be really pretty. So this is the shade Hot Pink. Ooh, actually, that is a really pretty pink for springtime, actually. Really pretty. We have the shade Peach, which again, I feel is going to be a very nice spring, summer shade. So let's take a look. Yeah. Kind of nice everyday spring. Yeah, that's nice and pretty. That's definitely more like when you can wear on a day-to-day basis. Ooh, shade Watermelon. I'm intrigued to see it. Kind of on the sticker looks kind of like a purple toned lipstick almost, but let's... Oh, so it's kind of, again, another red, but it is giving a bit more of a mauvey red. Okay, next one is Pink Honey, and I'm actually really glad that I got this shade because like this. Yeah, like a real pretty pinky peachy nude. But the reason I'm really excited to have been sent this one is because this is my Pink Honey. And as you can see, it's pretty much gone. We've then got Pink Rose. So here is Pink Rose. Ooh. Yeah, that's definitely giving a rosy toned pink. Really pretty, kind of, again, very spring-like, and I think borderline kind of an everyday pink, plus kind of more of a fun going out pink as well. The shade Just Red. So a lot of kind of more pinky tones, red tones here, which will be really pretty for spring and summer. So this is Just Red. Oh, it's like quite nice. So that's that red. It almost got a bit more of an orange tone to that red, which is really nice. So, and then the final one is Soft Coral, which I do love, kind of more coral, orangey, peachy toned lipsticks, especially when we head to summer. This is what it looks like. There you go. It's actually a bit more of a muted coral, almost a bit like a burnt orange nude. So again, that'd be nice and pretty. Actually, it'll kind of match my eyes quite nicely, that one. Okay, so those were the lipsticks that Benecos very kindly sent to me. A lot of nice like pinky rosy tones, so perfect for spring. A few pops of nude. There's a nice kind of more burnty orange colour in here. So all really appropriate for heading into the spring summer season, which is really cool. So thank you so much to Benecos for sending them to me. I really appreciate that. And yeah, I'll do a lip swatch video very, very soon.